Hi, I'm Serena Godin, Chief Product Innovation Officer at True Botanicals, and I'm so excited to introduce the newest member of our Phyto-Retinol collection to you. Say hello to the new Phyto-Retinol Advanced Clinical Cream, the world's first and only bioholistic anti-aging cream that's powered by Peptilum, a biopeptide that's clinically proven to work 2 times faster and better than traditional retinol without any of the sensitizing side effects. This strengthening, silky soft cream is a one and done that will virtually fade signs of aging on your face and neck. It'll visibly soften fine lines and wrinkles. It'll help reduce redness and dark spots, even skin tone, smooth skin texture, and plump the skin with hydration. Better yet, say goodbye to any retinol concerns because this deeply hydrating cream is clinically proven to deliver all those dramatic anti-aging results without any of the sensitizing side effects of traditional retinol. No more redness, no more dryness, and no more sensitization thanks to our carotenoid-rich oils that eliminate these side effects often associated with traditional retinol. Plus, it requires 0 ramp-up time or skin cycling to benefit from its dramatic anti-aging results. Phyto-Retinol Advanced Clinical Cream smells as good as it feels with light notes of lavender, coriander, and rose. This cream is a true breakthrough in skincare science, and I am so excited for you to try it.